Okay, now welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I'm happy to have you here. Please, before we actually get into the analysis for today, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to also put the notification on so that you can have access to great technical analysis content from SHIBUSDT. So back into the video, we'll be looking at the SHIBUSDT. The last time we checked up on this analysis, we were just about this point here. We're just about this point here when the market had broken, and I remember saying that we were waiting for a bullish move, like a bullish candlestick to appear. Fortunately we got that, but it failed. All right, and we actually had a break below the bullish bullish trend support. All right, and from this I'm just going to be explaining what we are going to scenarios of probably what we're going to be facing in the next couple of hours. So let's just get straight to it. Let me get something to highlight for us. So we see here that as price has broken below this uptrend support, what literally happened was that price went to just about a resistance zone. Just make that an highlight. Got down to a former resistance zone that happened around this area. All right, just around this line here, and we can see the line, we can see the price actually respected and go back around this area. Remember that I put a line around there too in the previous video. I said something about 660 and 680, and also 550 as well. But in the long term, what we are looking at is that price should come down to this point. Why we're saying that is because the market has actually been ranging, that's actually been ranging for quite a long time within these zones, all right, within the supply and demand zones. Okay, and actually right now, as the market has broken below, we are expecting a more bullish move down. We're expecting a more bullish move down. Now what we are expecting from this market, the market has given us a retracement and giving us also a evening star, as we can see. Let me make this out. It's giving us an evening star just about here. You can see that this is a three candlestick pattern that's giving us a evening star just about here. Just look at it. Very nice. Very nice. An evening star that gives us a confirmation of the market going down further. But we can't actually do anything or trust anything yet until we see that actually this price gets below this point here, this support point here. All right, so obviously the market is coming down and it's going to break below and going to get to our price at 650. Remember I said that we are expecting this market to come down to 650. That's the next psychology price. Now if we look very closely, just like on 1 hour, we will see this playing very perfectly. So we have a lower high, all right, and we have a lower low, and now as you can see as well, we have another lower high. So we see that the market is actually carrying a bearish structure, and what we expect from this market is that the market is going to go down all the way, guys, to 650. And at 650, which is just around here, which is this line here, as you can see here, that's where the market is coming to. But for us to be sure, the market has to break below this pivot points. That's to break below these points, because you can see that price has a lot of movement, in this area, there is pressure between demand and supply here. So what we expect, as I said, the market is still going to sell. Hopefully it sells down here and then breaks below and comes to our price as high actually analyzed it. So that's what we have for the SHIBUSDT. So you can take your trade, guys. You can set your stop loss just above this region, all right, and take your profit at 650, or you wait for a touchdown here and watch if the market is going to get here first, and probably wait for a retracement to enter back into the market and take it down all the way here. But like I said, this seems like this market has been actually moving as well with the BTC market. Now, if we take a look at the BTC USDT, this is the daily time frame. We actually see that yesterday we had a bit of a big candle, all right, almost like a mabuzo, or call it like a bit of engulfing, yeah, engulfing this. And so what we are looking at here, we're expecting this market to actually get to 65,000. That is the play. That's the play that we are looking for. We are looking for this market, first of all, getting all the way to 65,000. I know you're like, how is this market going to go? But just like the market is, we don't control the market, we only follow the market, all right? So, what we are actually expecting is that there's a psychological price at 650, yeah, 6,000, 65,000, all right? And so, what we are expecting is that this brave, nice bullish candle here will give us a break above this region, and probably close above it. And then we can now even be looking at the market at 55,000. And then we look at also the market at 65,000 as well. All right. So if we go down to a lesser time frame, you get to see this. We see that the market has actually been bullying for quite a while. It has been bullying for quite a while. And we actually had almost like a fake breakout. Yeah, almost like a fake breakout. But we're just watching, okay? Because the market has gotten back into the trend again. Has gotten back into the trend again and gave us more like a rectangle kind of chart pattern. And obviously, as we can see, it has actually broken above this guy and it's coming back to retest and probably will give us a push up. We just have to wait and see. All right, we just have to wait and see. We wait for a bullish candlestick information that can help us know how to we could enter this market, all right, and push ahead. But for now, we just have to wait, okay? Even if we've had the confirmation of a break here, but we just have to wait to see where the market is going to come down to. Either it's going to still stay on this line or it's going to come down to touch down, all right, on this particular zone as well, right? So let's just watch and see what the market is for us. But this, my bias here is that the price is actually going to go up. It's going to bull up to about 5 to 52,500 before giving us a retracement and heading to 55,000 and then 65,000. So we are very hopeful for this season for BTC market to go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. All right. So guys, I'm here to help. If you have any question, you can actually drop below. Let me know your view. Let me know what you also want me to analyze. I am actually here. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and also put on your snooze, your notification for more technical analysis content on different markets. All right. Thank you. Peace.